Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today I have come with a new video. Today I will show you during monsoon season, normally when we drive on highways or even in city roads, we come across tar spots on our car body. And this is very much annoying. Not only annoying, these tar spots if kept for a longer period may damage your paint surface. So today I will show you some home remedies with which you can remove this tar spot from your car body. Now let me show you the tar spot. You see there are black tar spots like this all over car body, you can see, especially the lower running board areas, on door lower panel areas, full of tar spots. Actually it's difficult to show you with the help of a camera, as due to reflection these particular spots are not visible properly, but I will try my best to show you. The entire car is filled with tar spots, especially the lower portion up to this part. Even some areas here also has attracted tar spots, and once the rain comes, that particular tar gets, due to some reason, or the tar actually breaks from the stones, and as you drive on that particular stretch, these tars get attracted to your car body. There are several commercial products available in the market, but what I will do, I will use some turpentine oil. This is available in your hardware store, and this is around 100 rupees a liter. So it is expensive, but you will require very less. So the rest you can keep it at your home, or if any painting job takes place, you can use this product, which I will dilute with some water. Now somebody will tell that we can use kerosene or diesel also. Yes, you can use it in diluted form, but the problem with kerosene and diesel is that they are much harsher and may damage your paint in the long run, but tarpine is much gentler on your paint. Now I will add some water in it. अभी जो देख रहे हैं आप लोग, इसमें हम टारपेंटाइन ऑयल ले लिया, सिर्फ टारपिन ले लिया, और इसमें थोड़ा पानी डालेंगे. I will add some water. Now dilute it in some form. ज़्यादा होने से, if there is too much tar or stubborn tar spots, then you can increase the level of your tarpine. Now I will apply it. Now remember to do this job during bright sunshine. You see these tar spots are gradually diluting. It works very well. You see all the spots have been removed successfully. Now once you have applied this turpentine oil with water, this side देखो यहाँ पर भी है, धीरे 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 धीरे, इधर एकदम. Once you have removed the tar spots from your car body, the normal wax layer or any protective layer that is on your paint Yes, look at the color of the oil, so you can understand how much tar had accumulated on the car body. Now you see all the coating or layers that have been applied on the car body has been removed due to this action from the turpentine oil. So you need to give an additional protection to this particular area. Look at the difference of the gloss or slickness from this area to this area. So it has become dull. So that will be removed once you have applied this. So some form of waxing will be required. Now I will, with the help of a microfiber cloth, I will wipe dry.
डाल हो गया.
Now you see the paint looks absolutely dull because there is no protection on this particular layer. Now the tar removal process is over. Now what we will do, to give protection, you need to apply some wax. Now you can apply any wax, liquid wax, spray wax. I will apply a spray type of wax, that is turtle wax, ceramic wet wax. It is very easy to apply. I will first, with the help of soapy water, I will clean this oil stretch from the car body and then apply the particular wax. Now I will remove the oil stretch with the help of this particular soap solution. This is, remember, this is normal pH neutral car shampoo. So with this I will remove all the oil stretches from the car body so that I can apply the wax over here. Okay, so I have wiped dry all the soap stresses. Now I will spray with water. Now I will spray water to the entire car body because this particular wax has to be applied wet. And why waxing? So that your paint gets a protection. Very little is required. Now I will spread the wax to the entire car body. Why I prefer this product? This is very long lasting and gives a very good protection and shine. Okay, now with a dry cloth we'll bring back the shine and slickness that was there previously in the car.
पॉलिश्ड का पुट
इसमें ही हो जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इट्स वेट वॉक्स ना. Okay, so you can see the slickness and gloss is back. And you can see there are no traces of any tar or any tar spots on the car body, and the entire body looks as fresh as it has been detailed from a detail shop. तो ऐसे ही आप घर में टार स्पॉट्स को रिमूव कर सकते हैं कार की बॉडी से, और बहुत ही इफेक्टिवली कर सकते हैं विदाउट एनी इन्वेस्टिंग फॉर एक्सपेंसिव वो जो क्या है बाग एंड टार रिमूवर, commercial tar removers. So the job is done. So in this way you can easily remove your tar spots from your car body effectively at home, and this is purely a home remedy. No special expertise is required. तो ऐसे ही आप कर लीजिए घर में. और अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि सब्सक्राइब और लाइक में कोई पैसा नहीं लगता है. And if you really do subscribe and like, this helps to promote our channel and make more videos for you like this. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste.